Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I come to you all the way from Prague. Michael and I are just super excited to be here. He's always wanted to take me here. And so in the background, this is Charles Bridge. So it is a fully pedestrian bridge, and Charles was a famous king. So that's why the bridge is named after him. But so what am I here to talk to you about today? So today I'm going to talk to you about the 3 ways your money is used in a syndication. First way, it is used for the down payment. So very similarly to a traditional home, you have to give the bank a down payment for the property so that you have some collateral and so they have some collateral. In a syndication, investors pool their money together, and that's the same here. We're pooling our money together to pay the down payment together. And if you want to learn more about a syndication, you can find that link below. The second reason where your money goes in a syndication is the capital expenditures, also known as the CapEx items. So with the deals that Michael and I, or the opportunities that we look at, we are doing a value add strategy where we are going to either upgrade units, add washer and dryers, have an artist come and paint murals on the property. Like those items are extra items that are being performed throughout the property. And so we need to raise the money for that so that we can make the community a better place for our residents to live. And then the third and final reason or place where your money goes in a syndication is closing costs. So while we are at the beginning stages throughout the day of closing, there are a lot of things that need to happen. So we have to pay attorneys, we have to pay the title company, we have to pay the lender, part of the acquisition fee, all of that goes into the closing costs. And so your money also goes there so that we can successfully close the property together and make dreams come true. So just to recap, the 3 places where your money goes in a syndication is the down payment, the CapEx items, and last but not least, the closing costs. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to ring that bell or subscribe so that you get notified when we create more content. Until next time, explore more. Adventure awaits. Woo!